Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to draw and color the Peppa Pig Mermaid and Suzy Sheep Mermaid. Let's start drawing. First, I draw the Suzy Sheep Mermaid, starting with her eyes. Then I draw her nose and her smiling mouth. On her head, I draw starfish and sea snails like this. Then I draw her face and her two ears. I continue to draw her body. I draw her hands. Then I draw her necklace with a starfish and a seashell on it. This necklace is made from pearls. Hey kids, if you like videos like this, please click the like button. I will upload more similar videos. Then I draw Suzy's mermaid tail like this. Next to her, I draw Peppa Pig Mermaid, starting with her eyes. Then I draw her smiling mouth and her cheek under her eye. I continue to draw her nose. Then I draw her face and her two ears. Peppa Pig wearing a beautiful dress. She has a cute necklace with two starfish and one seashell. Then I draw her mermaid tail. On her head, I draw a seashell like this. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use cream to paint Suzy's cheek. Then I use pink to paint her nose and her smiling mouth. Yellow. Sky blue. Then I color her dress pink. Red. pink to paint Peppa's cheek. For this seashell, I use red to paint. Then I colored a starfish pink. Sky blue. I also use sky blue to paint Peppa's dress and her mermaid tail. Finally, I use this light pink watercolor to paint her skin. Our drawing is almost done. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.